Welcome to our mini celebration of a very momentous occasion, reaching our $5 million goal in cash and pledges, I must add. Thank you all for coming and enjoying and participating, I should say. We enjoy having you here because it's been very rare that we get to see each other face to face.
Thanks very much, everyone, for coming today. This is a very big deal for this hospital. As Tom said, the population that this hospital serves has more than doubled since at the time it was built. This hospital is over 30 years old now. I've been a patient of this hospital, and I can attest to the care and the compassion that is provided here long before I ever actually had a role here in the hospital. But it's been remarkable to be able to see that in a facility, especially the emergency department, but the rest of the hospital that is still functioning in a 30-year-old design, is still able to provide the kind of care up to standard and with the performance and the compassion for our patients that we come to see today. I think, looking at it across our whole system, our little emergency department, albeit small, is a mighty one. We're probably one of the best performing emergency departments when you look at our metrics across the whole system. Even looking at this last year as a testament, as Mike said, we have a very old facility here, and we have not one piece of evidence of transmission of COVID within the hospital, no outbreaks or any of that. And I think that actually really speaks to the dedication and the care that's provided by the staff within the facility. One of the things I want to make sure that it is highlighted out of here is of course, Mike referenced the idea that we now have more up-to-date standards and design codes and et cetera to be able to build an emergency department to function in today's age. But I also want to emphasize that our emergency department is going to be a different build than other builds that I have had a part with in Fraser Health. Most notably, it's been the clinical staff here that have actually driven, the folks who actually will be working within the emergency department have driven what the design features need to look like. This isn't a design out of a box that, although up to standards, there are many contextual differences in how it is we practice here up to standard, and I really have to appreciate all of our clinical staff, all of Angela's staff with nursing, allied health, and all the emergency physicians who played a fairly significant role in actually saying, no, this won't be good enough. We actually need to do this for our emergency department. So it's really exciting to be able to see this come to life. Out of all the work and the emphasis that's gone into here, it will serve the community for quite some time to come, and I'm very proud to be able to be part of that. I have to thank the foundation. This would not have been possible without the foundation. For many ways. One, a driver to bring the thing to life in the first place. But of course, to be able to bring the fundraising power, to be able to pull off the scope changes that we have seen over time, even very recent scope changes that we have seen out of our learnings out of infectious disease and COVID. We have put in new design features into the emergency department. The foundation has supported us, so we would not have been able to do this without you. So thank you very much to all the foundation, the board, the staff, and of course, all of those donors out there who have contributed something towards bringing this to life.